Hello everybody, and all you sports fans. Watching a Blue Jays game as I often do this time of day. I've had this Terrafin set sitting in my closet for a few weeks. So I thought, hey, why not build a set? Let's get it done. Fun set to build, it's quick. I built an identical set with chill in it. There's no difference. The same, just you get a different figure, so done it before, not many pieces. There's a fancy little instruction book. There's a fancy little box. You will notice it says only at Target. One of the reasons I wanted to get this set as well as the chill set. I will put the link to the chill set in the video, so you may check that out as well. Now you might want to know why this is a only at Target set, and the reason is because if you look closely, you will see that Terrafin is wearing a hat. And that is the only at Target part of this set. I do have the other way you can get Terrafin, and the other way you can get Terrafin is, voila, in a battle portal set, and you will notice he is not wearing a set. Not wearing a set? Not wearing a hat. Let me talk like this the rest of the video. So if I sound silly, you won't know the difference. Yeah, so that's the difference. So someone asked me that once. They said it's not a Target exclusive. You can get Terrafin another way. And yes, you can get Terrafin this way, but he is not wearing a hat. The only way to get Terrafin with a hat on is at Target in this set. No other way. But to mention this really quickly, guess what you're going to see later on this week? You'll see another unboxing of this set. So once I do that, I'll show you both out of their packages so you can see the difference more clearly. So look forward to that towards the end of the week, if you would like to watch. If you don't want to watch, guess what? Don't watch. So let's get a look. That was dramatic, wasn't it? Here it is. Now the chill one, if you've watched it, you know I did that at the beach, so there was a lot of noise. So I'm not sure how good the audio was. But I put Terrafin in there. We'll get him out really quick. But there is Terrafin. And as you see, he is wearing a pirate. Don't know what you call it. Bandana, I guess? But as I've said previously, these figures are great. Part of the reason I'm going to collect most, if not all, of the Mega Bloks figures as well, because they are so well done. So there's Terrafin with his hat. And here is the little turret. What do they call it? I don't know. Turret Air Raid. So you can stick anybody in there you really want, and as I always do, these are my other guys. My other battle portals, and there's the chill. So you can stick chill in here if you'd like. But she really fits in there. She's tiny. So if you want chill to shoot, you can have her shoot. Heck, you can even have Chaos shoot if you wanted. don't know if Chaos will fit. Yeah, Chaos doesn't really fit with his big, large cape. But there's my other ones. Chill, Blue Bash, Chrome Spyro, Glow-in-the-Dark Biclops. I don't think Spyro will work either. No. Four-legged dudes don't work well on these turret things. They do not work well. You also get a chest filled with millions of dollars worth of coins. Of course they're made out of pure gold. I bet you're jealous. And they're nice enough to throw in a few extra pieces in a big red block in case you want to put Terrafin on that. There's your quick review. Terrafin, stand up now. So there's your quick review of the Terrafin only at Target with a pirate bandana set. One of these days I will display all the sets so you can see them. Right now I just have the figures out, the sets I have back in the boxes. Easier to display that way. So, there he is, another welcome addition to my Skylander Mega Bloks minifigure collection. Stay tuned, you will get the Hatless Wonder later on. I get a Chompy too. I don't have a Chompy yet, I just have some sheep, as you see over there. Have a great day. Let's go Blue Jays. Let's go Blue Jays. Adios. Have a wonderful night. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all my wonderful subscribers. You guys are the best in the world.